So I'm basically just braiding my hair and adding my curly pieces on the ends. So as you can see, I've already braided my hair and just braided it halfway down with my hair and just moved on along. And then I'm coming back to it so I can fix them and add my curly hair. So yes, my ends does have curly ends and I am adding the little curly pieces into it. Look how little my hair is. I am so happy that I'm working this miracles. I just wanted braids so bad, so I had to do it. So I'm parting my hair. The part, I think I already parted it. So you kind of want to make sure it is straight so your parts don't look a little wild. So once you have parted it, you're going to get your clip and you're just going to separate it from the rest so you're not getting the hair mixed up. You're also going to use grease. This is the grease that I prefer to use. You're just going to dab a little bit of that on your head. Make sure your hair is not dry because you don't want no dry braids. I also use Eagle styling gel just to kind of help hold the hair and my hair together. So this is the hair I use. I have 2 pack of these. They're the double pack of expression hair. I think your beauty supply store, I think it's like $5.99, maybe $4.99, depending on what store you go to. So far I have used one. So you're just gonna get the hair. You just put the hair in 2 pieces and you're just gonna tie it together. And then just grab it and just kind of put it in another section just so it's tight. That's how I do it. Just to make sure that the hair is secure, you can do it any way you like to. Just kind of lock it in. Because when I put it on, I'm basically just grabbing my hair and then I'm gonna just twist it with one of the strands of hair. So once you put that on, like I said, you're gonna just twist it around. I have one of the pieces and I just braid it down. Look how short my hair is, y'all. Like, I really wanted braids so bad, so I had to. See, it's locking. Like, look at it, it's there. My part is messed up. My section was like really off here. I am gonna hold it down because it's like pulling my hair, so it does hurt. So you just braid it down. So you're just gonna still braid the hair all the way down. And then you're gonna, once you get to the point that you want, you're gonna add your curly piece inside the braid. It's just gonna give it kind of like a full look with like curly pieces. I also have curly pieces at the end of my hair. And once I braided it down, I add a curly piece in the middle. And once you braid it down some, you're holding it. And you just basically get the curly piece and put it under the hair and make sure it's locked in. You gotta have the piece, yeah. This is the one that I'm gonna have out, and I'm gonna also add a piece at the end. So you're just gonna braid it down. You're gonna get some more Eagle styling gel. Put it on the hair just so it's not like, you know, this just kind of braids the hair kind of more softer to braid down. It's not sticking up and all frizzy stuff. So this is the piece that I'm adding on the end. I'm just gonna keep adding. And then once you get to the end, I am using nail glue, super glue, whatever it is to hold it down. Some people will be like, why the hell? But my knot does not stay, so my braid does come in loose. But this is how the hair is looking. Put some eco styling gel just to bring it down a little bit. And boom. Gonna cut the end because it's looking a little crazy. And right now I'm just getting my little scissors, and I was cutting ends. So I'm just gonna do another braid. So remember when you put it on, you are grabbing your hair and just tying the weave around it. Like, not tying, but braiding the weave around it. You know, just braid it on. And we're just gonna repeat the process and just braid it down. And add the curly piece at the end. I did not add one in the middle because I'm not really adding a lot. I'm just adding that middle piece into some of them, not all of them. And then once you get down to the end, you're just adding the curly piece and just braiding it down. So you're just putting that under, and then you're just gonna continue braiding down as you would. And then, like I said, I am adding some super glue, nail glue. Some people will like tie a knot at the end, but when I tie a knot, they do not stay. So that's why I use glue. And now I have my scissors. I'm just gonna cut off the excess little piece of hair that's sticking up out of the braid. So you're just basically cutting the straight ends on the end, and you're still cutting the sticky hairs that's sticking up out of the braid, because to me that really bothers me. I can feel it sticking me, and I don't like that. So you want to get the braid as perfect as you can. So this is how my braids look. They are super long. This is how they look. Yes. I'm like so excited that I have braids in my hair. I haven't wanted long hair for so long without it being a wig. So I'm like super excited. So I'm trying my best. I'm not a braidist. I do not just braid all the time. I just wanted to do this, so this is what I did. Yes, look how little my hair is. It's growing. So this is the end. I could not get any better video. I kind of forgot before I took them back out. This is how they look after I had finished them. Some of them I had to like go back and add rubber bands on them and then kind of like braid my hair around it, because my hair was like really curly and slippery in the back. It was too soft to hold. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out my last video. Thank you.